Hi friends, in this video we're going to talk about the function of power cleaning and when you should use it on your Epson EcoTank printer. Power cleaning is an intensive ink flush designed to fix severe print head clogs, or when your prints come out completely blank even after running normal head cleaning. Its purpose is to remove trapped air from the ink tubes, clear heavy blockages in the print head, and restore the normal flow of ink. So, when should you run power cleaning? First, if you've done head cleaning several times but the prints are still blank or streaky. Second, when none of the ink colours are printing. Third, right after refilling the ink but it doesn't flow into the print head. And finally, when the printer hasn't been used for a long time and the ink has dried. On some EcoTank printers with a display screen on the control panel, you can access the power cleaning menu here. Go to maintenance, then select power cleaning and press OK. However, some printer models don't support this option, like the one I'm showing here, so I'll show you how to perform power cleaning without using a computer. Before starting, make sure you have enough ink in the tanks, at least 1/3 full in each colour. Step 1, turn off the printer, then press OK. Wait until the power light stops flashing. Now press and hold the question button, and while holding it, also press and hold the power button. Keep holding both for about 5 seconds. When you see the display panel light up, release them. On the main screen it will show power cleaning. To confirm, press OK. After that, the printer will begin the power cleaning process. In this video, I won't actually run it because my printer doesn't have any ink issues, but this is what the display will look like when power cleaning is running. Once power cleaning is complete, wait about 30 seconds before you start printing again. Keep in mind, power cleaning uses a lot of ink, so don't run it too often. If the results don't improve after one power cleaning, don't repeat it immediately. Wait around 12 hours, then try 1 to 3 normal head cleanings. If the problem is still there, run one more power cleaning. If you've followed all these steps correctly and the issue doesn't improve, it most likely means the print head is damaged and needs replacement. I hope this information helps you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more printer tips.